beauties, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going to be doing a Halloween makeup look for you guys. So the first step is we're going to clean our face with the makeup wipe where we applied makeup, and the supplies you'll need is liquid latex, toilet paper, a flat brush, a sponge. You're going to grab a rectangle piece of toilet paper and apply it to your face, measure it out, see where you want it, and then you're going to apply liquid latex to your face, and you're going to apply that with the sponge, and then just go ahead and start applying the toilet paper directly onto the liquid latex. And you do have to work fast because liquid latex does dry very fast. You're going to start by cleaning out the edges with a flat brush. At first I started with the sponge, but it became a mess. So I went in with my flat brush and just cleaned out the edges. And you're just going to keep applying liquid latex and toilet paper onto your face layer by layer until you get about 10 to 11 layers. Once you are done with all your layers of latex and toilet paper, you're going to let that completely dry, and then you're going to go in with your foundation of your color of your skin and just go ahead and blend that into the toilet paper and the latex once it's completely dry. You can also go in with your powder of your color and put that on top of the foundation so the foundation sets. Set your foundation, you are going to grab a pair of sharp tweezers and make a tiny hole. That way you can fit your scissors into the hole and start cutting. And please be very, very careful with this part because you don't want to accidentally cut your lip. You're gonna put the scissors into the hole and pull away from your skin, cut like a slight line, and remember, pull away from your face. and kind of like move your mouth. You grab another pair of scissors, not as sharp, and you're gonna go ahead, cut an opening to the line. That way you have an open space to act as your lips, because this is gonna be a Halloween look where we are gonna be sewing our lips together. Yes, bitch, I said it, sewing our motherfucking lips together. I mean, I know a bitch hate me, but damn. No, just kidding. But this is gonna be such an awesome Halloween look, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished look. We're going to be going in with our Kylie lipstick, and that color is going to be in Court Cake. And we're just going to put that all in the inside where we cut on our lips, and don't be afraid to like stab that in the latex. That way you get like the full effect everywhere. Now we're going to be going in with our Morphe palette. And we're going to be going in with 3 colors. The first color is going to be like reddish brown color. And we're going to put that on top of the lipstick. Our second color is going to be more of a reddish color, which gives it that like flesh type of effect. And then our third color, we're going to be going in with a bright orange color, going in with really sharp little scissors, and we're going to be poking holes into the latex. That way we have a hole already. Before we start sewing, we're going to put blood in there, because what is a Halloween look without blood? So the first blood that I put was Blood FX, which I got it at any local Party City, and also the other blood. And don't be afraid, bitch, use your hands. You guys acting brand new but have those hot Cheeto fingers all the motherfucking time, so. And now we're gonna start sewing. So if y'all bitches don't know how, it's pretty much just up and down, up and down. Afraid to give yourself a little touch up after you all beat up. Pretty much it for my Halloween sewing face look. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching. So please subscribe and like to my channel.